This is the LEADALLWAY Dolly cart furniture mover. It's designed to make it very easy to store. You can just pop out these wheels by moving this here forward like so. And then it's got this handle here, so you can pull, and you can also adjust the length of this handle. Then you can also buy extra carts and attach them and link them to the first cart. So you can link it from front to the back, or you can put them side to side. So like right here, like link right there, or you can get multiple of these carts and link them side to side. Buy as many cart attachments as you want, so you can haul large items as big as you want to go. So this movable platform is very versatile. It makes transporting heavy loads easy. It is very sturdy and very durable, and it can support loads of up to 300 pounds. It has smooth rolling wheels. It can easily maneuver in tight spaces and navigate on uneven surfaces. It has a non-slip surface, and it's easy to hook straps up to. Very adjustable, making it very easy for quick and easy loading and unloading.